Hey guys, Ben with Surveyor coming to you live from the Forest River studio. Today we're going to walk through the 2025 Surveyor Legend 202 RBLE, one of our top selling couples coaches. This floor plan is 25 feet, 1 inch from tip to tip, and it's under 6,000 pounds, so easily half-ton towable. Let's get into it. All right, we are inside. First of all, 82-inch ceilings. We've got 6-foot tall slide outs as well. We've got standard 15,000 BTU AC on every single floor plan that we offer for 25. Let's check out this kitchen area here. Really nice setup, a ton of counter space, and we've got a really cool bar top. Ton of storage, really nice bank of drawers here as well. We've got a 21-inch oven in here. We're doing this on all of our dual axle floor plans for 2025. We've got a residential cutting board here, really nice setup. Mounts behind the range. But obviously you can use it, prep food on it. It actually fits in the sink too, so it's going to double as a sink cover, which is really cool. I want to show you the back of this unit. We've got some cool stuff going on in here. We've got a 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. This is going to run off solar power. We've got a really nice pantry here, pull out drawer underneath as well, so a ton of storage. Let's check out this bathroom. First of all, porcelain toilet. You've got the nice toilet paper holder here, motion lighting. We're doing this in all the bathrooms. We've got some really nice residential towel hooks here as well. And then you've got the nice skylight too. It's gonna accommodate those taller people. All right, let's check out this living area here. So this model is gonna come with a standard booth dinette, but you can see here we've got it upgraded to the theater seat setup. Anytime you put a sofa in place of a dinette, you're going to get this really cool TV tray setup as well. They can handle a lot of weight, so whether it's a laptop or you want to eat dinner here directly across from your TV area, so a really nice setup here. Residential bar stool is here, lit underneath, really cool look. But you've got plenty of room here to sit up here, drink a cup of coffee, eat dinner. Bedroom area, beautiful setup here. You've got the cubby area here, which is a really unique setup. Not a lot of people do that. You've got cup holders back there that are built in. You've got power underneath, but really opens up that space, makes it feel bigger. Oversized storage. You've got oversized wardrobes, 2 drawers on each side, and then you've got the gas strut assisted overheads, which not everybody does. This is a 60 by 80 residential queen bed as well. We're doing that on every single model. Let's go check out the exterior features. Beautiful front end look on the Legend here with the front window. We've got standard power tongue jack. We've got dual propane on all of our dual axle floor plans. Battery disconnect. This is the repeater for your tire pressure monitoring system. Great feature. And this is your 7-way holder as well. Just a great feature we've got there. Also, we've got a really nice latch here. Can be a pet leash latch. You can put your safety chains on there. Just a very versatile feature we've got up front for you. Let's check out this pass-through area here. Some really nice features going on. You've got slam latch baggage doors on every exterior cargo door, magnetic door catches. We've got a USB-C port in here, motion lighting. You're also going to have a really nice drill bit that's going to help assist with the manual jacks that are standard on the Legend series, but a really nice pass-through area here, tons of room for storage, and you've got aluminum bed base here as well. On the off-door side, you're going to see our tankless on-demand water heater, which is a standard feature for 2025. You're also going to find your inverter prep over there, the access panel for your inverter prep, which is going to be standard as well for 2025. We've got one of the best solar packages on the market, 400-watt solar on every single model in our lineup. Nice big awning on this 202 with the LED light strip. It's going to cover your outside kitchen and your entry door, which is really nice. But let's check out this outside kitchen setup. We've got a really nice compact setup here. It's got everything you need on the outside for entertainment. Mini fridge. We've got your dump sink here. Hot, cold exterior spray port, which is a new feature for 2025. Same spray port connection we have, but you've got a hot water feature on the outside now. And you've got your standard Suburban Elite Series griddle with the Lodge cast iron cooktop as well, which is a great feature for 2025. Something cool that we do that not everybody does is this additional locking mechanism on your outside kitchen doors. It's going to be a magnet plus a latch, so it's not going to fall down when you're using that outside kitchen. All right, we've got Goodyear tires on every single model for 2025. We talked about the tire pressure monitoring system. You're going to have that as well. That's going to monitor heat, tire pressure, and it will alarm you if you have a fast leak or a slow leak. Ultimately help you get off the road safely before you have an issue. So a great feature, but Goodyear endurance tires on every single model. We've got Lippert solid steps. Great feature. We've got it on every single entry door. If you'd have a dual entry on a floor plan, you're going to have 2 of these solid steps, but a great feature. Black glass entry door, oversized grab handle here. Some really cool stuff going on. We talked about the solar setup. You're getting a free additional 200-watt solar panel with our package. That's a limited time promotion. So don't forget that, but 400 watts on every single unit. Extended season ready. We've got a great extended season package, 2-inch aluminum floor with block foam insulation. You've got a sealed underbelly on every single unit with dedicated heat. So you got a dedicated heat duct forcing air to the underbelly when you're running your furnace. And then you've got 12-volt heating pads. That's going to be standard equipment on every single model, which is very cool. And there's your Goodyear sticker as well. Let's come to the back here and talk about some of the standard features we've got going on. You've got your Lippert on-the-go ladder prep. That's going to accommodate that telescoping ladder that you can get aftermarket. Very easy to get aftermarket and not a big expense. You've got standard rear camera prep as well. You can add that rear camera aftermarket if you want to. 2-inch receiver, great setup. It is welded to the frame. It's going to be rated for about 300 pounds and it allows you to add that accessory of your choice on the back of the unit. Standard spare tire as well. And then on the off-door side, you're going to have some cool features like motion lighting by your dump area, which is something that not everybody does. We've got some nice convenient motion lighting throughout the unit. But let's head up front and wrap this thing up. All right, thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of the 2025 202 RBLE Surveyor Legend floor plan. For more information, you can go to our website at www.forsterrink.com/surveyor. Please follow us on social media as well. Thanks for joining me.